What is debt dispute? Nothing's ever perfect, and this includes your financial reports. Hundreds of thousands of people all over the country receive credit card bills that are inaccurate or feature additional charges that do not make sense given their spending history. Credit disputes should be handled in a timely manner because neglecting to do so can negatively impact your credit score. Step 1. The first step one needs to take would be to understand what exactly a debt dispute is, as well as its intricacies. Debt dispute usually involves getting in touch with the credit bureau that's responsible for collecting debt from your creditor. The minute you realize that your credit card bill or credit report has errors or are not in agreement with the figures furnished to you, send the bureau an official letter letting them know about this. Ideally, you should send this letter within 30 days of realizing this mistake. Step 2. After you've sent your letter, the collection agency has between 30 to 45 days to investigate whether or not your claims are valid. Within this time, they may not contact you or attempt to collect this debt. That being said, your dispute details will be recorded on your credit report, and it may take some months for it to be expunged. This is where your patience will be tried. However, you have nothing to worry about if you know for sure that your dispute, given your financial history, will come out in your favor. In the meantime, within the time of the investigation, it may not be a good idea to apply for credit since the dispute details will not be in your favor and can negatively impact your overall credit score, whether or not you're in the green with regard to your claims. What you can do to help yourself. In case you have a billing error on your credit card, you need to get in touch with your card issuer within 60 days of discovering the error. If you decide to contact the merchant instead, please make sure that the error is fixed in a timely manner. If you don't get the resolution you need, it's best to contact the card issuer next. Keep records. Debt collectors may sometimes be overzealous when it comes to their collection activities. In this case, you will want to keep a record of all written communication, as well as details of any calls from them, including the time they called, as well as the details of the conversation. This will give you an upper hand with regard to the dispute should they inadvertently break the law. Conclusion. Please note that debt collectors are not allowed to use obscene language, harass you with endless calls, especially before 8 a.m. and past 9 p.m., misrepresent your debt amount, or talk to anyone else but you or your attorney regarding the dispute. At the end of the day, keeping a calm demeanor and collecting facts as well as acting fast will help you put a dispute behind you in no time.